Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today I want to answer a couple of questions I get all the time. What is Made It Society, and how do I become a Made It? Well, first, if you watch Maymay Made It, you're already a Made It. That's the name we use to describe our wonderful community, those people who watch, craft, and spend time with us. So, if you do any of those things, you're a Made It. Now, Made It Society is our free monthly craft get together. We usually meet on the first Saturday of each month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we craft together using supplies we already have in our stash. Occasionally, we adjust the date around major holidays or special events, but we always announce those changes early so you have plenty of time to plan. Some months we make cards, scrapbook layouts, mini albums, folios, or sometimes something completely different than we've ever made before together. The goal is to use what we have, try new techniques, and enjoy crafting together. Your project does not have to look exactly like mine. You choose the papers and embellishments that you love and make it your own. You do you. You don't have to purchase anything to join us, and you don't have to sign up just to watch or craft along. However, if you want to know what we're making ahead of time, we ask that you sign up for both our emails and text messages. This is how we send you the project information. Our instructions come that way, your supply list, the measurements, the dates, and reminders. You can still watch Made It Society without signing up, but signing up for the emails and texts makes sure you receive everything you need to prepare ahead of time. Each month's supply list will include what we call your Make It Kit. This is not a physical kit that you have to purchase. Your Make It Kit is simply the basic tools and supplies you gather from your own craft room, so you'll be ready to craft along with me. When the event begins, you can craft along with me, you can watch and take notes, or you can just hang out with us. There's no pressure to keep up. This isn't about being perfect, it's about spending time together and enjoying the process. If you can't join us live, don't worry. The videos remain available after the event, so you can watch later, you can pause whenever you need to, and work at your own pace. You can also return to the videos anytime you want to make the projects again. So how do you become a Made It? You just watch. That's it. If you're watching this video, you're already a Made It, and we're so glad you're here. If you want to know what we're making ahead of time and receive everything you need to prepare, be sure to sign up for both our email and text messages. I'll leave a link to that in the description below to make that easy for you to find. Then you gather your supplies, grab your snacks, and craft along with us. Remember, we don't do perfect, we just have fun making something wonderful together. I'll see you at the next Made It Society. Till next time, bye now.